Good morning to all. Welcome to Sri Krishna Rudra Medical Academy, Kannur, Vijayawada online classes. Today we are going to discuss very important topic, very important guidelines for NEET 2021 examination. We can discuss one by one. What are the requirements? What are the important dates of NEET examination? So NEET exam, as of now, everybody knows that NEET exam is conducted offline exam on September 12th, 2021 examination. Admit card download date is tentatively they have given that September 9th of 2021. These are important date everybody must remember. Exam city center officially declared in the website neet.nta.nic.in. This is already announced. This is already declared. Still then, nobody, suppose anybody is not seen their center, please go to this website. You have to see that which center is allotted for you. Not center, city, which city is allotted to you. You have to check out by using this website. For downloading admit card requirements, what are the requirements for downloading it? This tentatively September 9th date is given for downloading the admit card, which is a must for each and every NEET students only. Application number, they already applied a NEET. For that application number is required, reference number is required, date of birth of the candidate is required, and security pin. I think at the time they provide security pin, and all these three columns are required in order to download the admit card. Nothing but hall ticket. Details mentioned on NEET 2021 admit card. What are the details mentioned in NEET 2021 admit card? There are certain details mentioned in NEET admit card 2021, which is to be cross-checked by candidates when downloading the admit card. What are that I are going to discuss in brief. These are as follows. Actually, it's very important. In admit card, they will mention that reporting time and time of the last entry. For student to student, this time is varies only. Because of COVID-19 guidelines, precautions, they allotted a specific time for the students only. But this time, reporting time and time of last entry is different from different students only. Last year also did the same manner. And you also cross-verify that the language of the question paper only. Suppose you opted the language English, suppose the paper you come to the Telugu one. You feel difficulty one. You have to cross-verify that before going to the examination only. Language medium of the question paper. What you applied, in admit card, what is given now? Language. NEET exam center name and address. Clearly you have to see the in admit card what is the center is given and address of the center. If possible, 1 day, 2 days before you have to go to the center and verify this address only. Exam center number, everything is provided in admit card. NEET exam center name and address and exam center number, everything is provided in admit card. Don't bother about. September 9th they are going to announce. 10th better you can check the address of the particular center provided for you. This is very important. This is a passport size photograph uploaded in application form. We have to carry the passport size photograph. 5 to 10 copies, keep yourself only. Whenever requirement is there, you have to use it. So passport size photograph uploaded in application form only. Now signature uploaded during registration. The IP address and date of downloading of admit card. These are space to paste the passport size photograph. Same as used during registration. Same photograph is supposed to use. Signature of the candidate to be done in the exam hall in front of the invigilator only. Before that, don't go for signature over the photograph only. At the time of examination only, in the presence of invigilator, to be done in the exam hall only. So this you remember. Better while downloading admit card, you take admit card 5 to 10 copies with yourself only. Because future reference के लिए we can use this admit card also. So not only by downloading one, don't take one print, take 5 to 10 prints of admit cards. देखो signature of the parent need use senior director signature, whether his signature is there or not there. Other general, the most important instruction आप देख लीजिए, it must be noted by candidates opting for a regional language. Regional language means either Tamil, either Malayalam or Telugu, Kannada, whatever it may be. You have to select the local language. Then, in case of any difficulty in understanding the questions in the language opted for you, then ultimately the English translation will be considered as a final answer only. You feel any difficulty in our opted language only, like Telugu or etc., Malayalam, like Kannada, any problem it arises, then finally should be the English version only. What are the English version question is asked, what are the answers are given, the same the same will be applicable only. It's very important point. Now, one more important thing is dress code. Achha, dress code dekho, which are not allowed in brief, because we are writing to need examination only. Achha, as simple as much. This 3 hours duration time, achha, without distractions, we go to the examination center only. Achha, take it positive only. Take it positive only. Achha, as simple as much. Very simple. Achha, full sleeves are not allowed. Embroidery work is not allowed. Any jewelers, rings and chain, gold chain, etc. are not allowed. Achha, any spectacles are not allowed until unless you are facing some problem, eyesight. Then high heels are not allowed. Simple chappal, sandals is enough. Achha, like big pockets are not only big pockets are not allowed. Achha, it will consume your time only. Achha, electronic watches, electronic gadgets, etc. These are bracelets, etc. These are not allowed. Simple thing which are allowed. Achha, I am suggesting all the students go as simple as much, very simple manner, because you are going to write the examination in simple manner. Achha, don't take any garments, etc. Any fashion. You are not going for fashion technology, fashion show only. You are going for only for writing examination only, as simple as much. Like half sleeves is a better, t-shirt is a better. Achha, simple chappals, sandals, simple sign. Achha, normal eyeglasses. In case you are feeling any difficulty, eyesight is there, then you can go for simple trousers. This is only allowed. This is not allowed. Achha, I am requesting, I am suggesting all the students only, all the parents also. Please ensure that. Make sure that you have to follow this dress code only. You should not follow this dress code only. You follow this dress code, you are also facing the problem in examinations only. Verification, etc. Consuming your time only. Achha, uncomfortable. This is very comfortableness. So students feel very comfortness in while wearing this dress only. So chalo. Now, what are the prohibited items? Prohibited items in examination, which are allowed, which are not allowed. Achha, dekho, ye calculate electronic items are any electronic device are not allowed into the examination hall, because nobody in examination halls are only, even though you are not carrying any pens and pencils also. In examination hall, they provide all the things also. Dekho, these are not allowed in examination center. I think last year, achha, plain water bottle without any sticker. Suppose you purchase it, you purchase a distillery, whatever may be that. You have to remove that wrappers. Achha, plain water, transparent water, you have to allow. Last year is allowed. Achha, this is also it is allowed, transparent. But other than transparent water, other than water bottles are not allowed in examination also. Achha, purses, ATM card, debit card, any card is not allowed. Achha, these are not allowed. Pencils, pens are not. They will provide in examination center only. Don't bother about this, all the things only. And if better, you have to carry one sanitizer, 50 ml sanitizer, and the gloves, masks. It is permissible only. It is allowed in examination only. But these things are not allowed in examination, sir. Mobiles. Achha, there is no storeroom in examination hall to keep all the things in examination center. Achha, better avoid all the things only, so that your student, your what is very comfortable while writing the examination on. Again, these are things are prohibited in examination center. All these are not prohibited in examination center only. अच्छा, things to carry at the examination center, what are the allowed things है? अच्छा, NEET, this is compulsory, NEET 2021 admit card is compulsory for them. अच्छा, बिना admit card है, so there is no entry in a NEET examination center है. अच्छा, ID proof, generally ID proof is a Aadhaar card है, like driving DL है, driving license है, PAN card है, any government identity है, any government identity authority is given है, that is applicable है. Better, I think every student having Aadhaar card hai, that's why we prefer Aadhaar card. ID proof like Aadhaar card hai, like PAN card also is eligible hai, then driving like DL also eligible hai, passport also is eligible hai. Acha, passport size photos hai. Acha, you have to bring the 2 passport size photos hai. One you have to face in front of the invigilator and you have to sign over there. Acha, better keep 2 hai. Acha, there is no risk hai. You keep 2 to 5 any copies. Extra copies you have to always keep in your pocket only. Acha, performa with attached passport size photograph. Acha, in admit card they will give one performa. Acha, in the performa you have to also parent signature also required. Acha, without parent signature, without guardian signature, the performa is not applicable in examination center only. Acha, all these items are available, allowed in examination center only. Bina this, without this file, any other items are not allowed in examination center. Acha, how to fill in the OMR answer sheet is very, very important. Acha, like 1 year preparation is different. This 3-year examination center, acha, your work is different only. Acha, everything decided in this work only. Particularly OMR sheet only. OMR sheet. How much you know doesn't matter only. How you have to fill the OMR sheet is very important matter only. Suppose your sequence is your sequence is changed, so nothing. You are getting nothing marks only. देखो, अच्छा देखो, very important point है before filling OMR sheet है. The candidate should remember one time that OMR sheets are evaluated by computer system only, not manually evaluated only. So any scratches है, like here scratches है, this scratch in case of अच्छा, any scratches है, देखो scratches है, it is not evaluated by the case. अच्छा, suppose not like that. अच्छा, 6th question answer B, 7th question answer B, C and D, etc. You left the question number C. अच्छा, suppose you put answer B and again you can scratch it. This question is not valued. This question is not valued. So better you have to avoid scratching any unfair work in OMR sheet is not encouraged. Achha, fair work is only required. अच्छा देखो, कैंडिडेट एज 10-digit रोल नंबर है, हॉल टिकट नंबर में एडमिट कार्ड में 10-digit रोल नंबर है. अच्छा देखो, 10-digit, अच्छा ये 10-digit रोल नंबर है, देखो यहां से 10-digit रोल नंबर है. अच्छा, सपोज ये 4 ईयर 9 है, यहाँ 9 है, यहाँ 8 है. So how to fill OMR? I think 90% of the students might know how to fill the OMR sheet. This is simple example is given, which we have taken reference in NTA website. So this is a new pattern of NEET 2021 OMR sheet, right? अच्छा देखो, the candidate should ensure that 7-digit test booklet number has been filled and marked. अच्छा, one thing very clear है. अच्छा, OMR booklet code है and the question paper booklet code should be same होना चाहिए. अच्छा, before filling the OMR sheet you have to cross verify that. अच्छा, your OMR code है, OMR code है and question paper testlet code है, both are same होना चाहिए. So this is a must and should. Every student should verify before filling the OMR sheet only. देखो, test booklet number है ये वाला कैसा. You have to fill the test booklet number. You have to verify this one. अच्छा, OMR how to fill OMR आप देख लीजिए. OMR है complete circle है, complete circle से fill करना. अच्छा, ऐसा नहीं है. This is not है. अच्छा, I am telling you how the fill OMR sheet है. देखो, suppose यहाँ है. अच्छा, which is correct, which is incorrect, I am telling you. देखो OMR शीट है। देखो वन थिंग वेरी क्लियर है, यहां से शुरू करो, यहां से शुरू करो, ऐसा से यहां से शुरू करो, यहां से शुरू करो। Like we can without any gaps, you have to bubble like this. And this is correct way of filling like this one. I just suppose I go for this way. Suppose I will start from here. I will start from here. Better in between. Then somehow it is a chance for going out also. This is which is incorrect. This is correct. अच्छा मिडिल से शुरू करो, या मिडिल से शुरू करो, यहाँ गलत होता है ना. So we can come from outer end से शुरू करो. Is a better way how to fill the OMR sheet only. This is correct way of filling of OMR sheet. This incorrect way of filling of OMR sheet only. देखो candidate's name है, running ad. What are the you have to fill the OMR sheet? Candidate's name है, you have to write like writing in running handwriting only you have to write father's name है, mother's name है. All these columns are you have to fill before going for answer sheet. Acha, everybody might know that this year they changed the pattern. Instead of 180 question, they will provide 200 questions. Each subject has 50 questions. Previously there are 3 sessions only there, bio, physics, chemistry. But this year physics है, chemistry है, botany, zoology. अच्छा biology में 2 parts होगा, botany and zoology होगा. And each section, each part में there are 2 sections है, part A, part B. अच्छा part A 35 questions है, compulsion for all the questions है. Part B में 15 questions है, out of 15 you have to answer 10 questions है. अच्छा देखो 10 questions है. अच्छा देखो ये 10 questions है, कैसा है ये वाला. अच्छा 86 to 100 है. अच्छा ये वाला part B का questions है, you remember है 36 to 50, 86 to 100, 136 to 150. अच्छा सपोज 36 to 50 फिजिक्स के लिए part B है, 86 to 100 केमिस्ट्री के लिए part B है, 136 to 150 बायो, बॉटनी और zoology के लिए part B है. अच्छा the section in section B, the candidate needs to attempt any 10 out of 15 only. Remember that is very important. They can evaluate only 10 questions. What you have to fill it. The remaining 5 questions are not evaluated. Acha, make sure that ensure your end. You have to fill only 10 questions. Don't go for 15 questions only. First 10 only they will evaluate it. Acha, remaining 5 they are not touching. So that very important is out of 15 questions you have to answer only 10 questions. And part B is very important. Of course, time consuming also. Dekho, do not fill in more than one option for any of the question, because there is only one option. Because NEET exam is meant for like only one option correct. Out of 4 options given, only one option. Suppose in case any ambiguity, 2 options are correct, they will provide a add mark for you. Acha, you know, you don't decide that 2 options are correct. I can put 2 options only, which are incorrect only. Matlab, which is the most appropriate forever concise, which is the correct option, you have to put that answer on. Otherwise, you have to leave that answer, that question also. So better than this is not valued because this computer evaluating system only. This is not a manual. This is not in. This is incorrect. This is correct only. Only one option you have to put. This is very important guideline. Acha, at the end of the OMR declaration, signature with the time. Acha, you have to sign over in this. This is very important. Without sign also, this your OMR is not valued for it. They are not evaluated your OMR sheet on. Even though you got 600, 650 marks also, it doesn't matter on. Acha, properly you have to fill all the columns in the OMR sheet on. With a fair worker. If any unfair worker, they notice that your OMR sheet is not eligible for evaluating. Actually, this is very important. Test booklet code wise, what I said, OMR test booklet and question paper test booklet code match होना चाहिए. OMR book test code suppose ये ना, अच्छा test paper booklet means question paper booklet also ये होना चाहिए. सपोज OMR इज बी ना, टेक्स्ट बुक लेट कोड बी होना चाहिए. अच्छा OMR इज ए ना, टेक्स्ट बुक इज बी ना, so this is not matching है. अच्छा waste of your time है. Suppose without verifying you have to start the procedure है. अच्छा after half an hour, after 1 hour you notice that अच्छा मैंने गलत किया, then there is no user. Time and tide never come back again only. Okay, this is very important. Right? You have to cross verify that before filling the OMR sheet only. I got OMR sheet code ये ना, अच्छा and answer booklet code भी क्या होना चाहिए, ये होना चाहिए, बी है तो बी होना चाहिए. देखो देखो ये वाला. अच्छा सेक्शन बी में अच्छा देखो ये वाला सेक्शन बी सेपरेटली गिवन है. 36 इंच 50, 86 to 100 है, 136 to 150 है, like 186 to 200 है. Separately how to fill it. But out of 50 now you have to answer only 10 questions only. Right? अच्छा देखो ये वाला OMR sheet है. This newly changed pattern of NTA. They provide a OMR sheet है, 200 marks का OMR sheet है. देखो ये वाला 36 to 50. अच्छा these are the. अच्छा is there any discrepancy? Is there any ambiguity? Like while downloading admit card है, your center है, your name है, like your subcategory है, category है. Any discrepancy is there, then you have to contact NTA, National Testing Agency. अच्छा email ID is provided over here. You have to send your queries through this email है. And is there any chance is there, you can call back to this number also. If any ambiguity is there, any discrepancy is a possibility occur in our admit card है. अच्छा name and father name है and mother's name है, anything, a surname है, अच्छा category है, anything is any discrepancy is there. अच्छा suppose not allotted your admit card है, anything, any discrepancy is there, better you have to contact National Testing Agency email ID, which are given in website only. We have to reference is taken only, right? अच्छा everything is okay. अच्छा what are the instructions in NTA is provided for you? अच्छा admit card में क्या क्या चीज है, what are the things are available है, which things are allowed in examination, which are not allowed in examination, अच्छा which are prohibited है, अच्छा how to fill OMR, this everything is okay. But most important thing is during 3 hours duration of the time need examination, what are the requirement of the students? What are the requirement? How will you get a maximum marks in during 3 hours examination? अच्छा देखो complete year study is different है. This 3 hours duration time is different only. I am telling you, my dear students and parents. अच्छा what I am telling you, smart work is required in examination. Smart work. What I am telling you, smart work. अच्छा smart work is required. Smart work is required in during 3 hours examination, 3 hours duration. What is smart work mean? What is a smart work means? What I am telling you. अच्छा choice of the question. Previously also I told you. I am telling also. If a batsman is hitting the ball very hardly, ball directly going to the fielder, there is no use. Instead of hitting the ball very hardly, अच्छा go for simple technique. See the gaps only. See the opportunity only. What I am telling you, my dear students and parents, very difficult question also carrying 4 marks hai. Very simple question also carrying 4 marks hai. The only thing is important is time management skills are required hai. Achha, first thing is what is the requirement? Time management skills are required hai. First one is time management skills. Time management skills are very important. Time plays very crucial role by deciding your word rank only. Time only. Acha, how will maintaining time is nothing but. Acha, dekho, still 10 more times are left. 10 more days of time is left. in order to attempt the final examination. Acha, every students feel that this coming 10 days है this rehearsal exam for NEET exam के लिए. Acha, whatever the plan we are going to execute in examination, you start executing the examination from tomorrow onwards. Acha, what is the time management skills means? Out of 4 subjects, some students are more interested in biology, some are more chemistry, some are physics is very less only because of numerical part is more. Most of the biology students have perception hota hai, acha biology very easy tha. Means time management skills ma, acha which is like suppose in like question paper hai, jumbling system hota hai. अच्छा, एक स्टूडेंट को फर्स्ट जूलॉजी आता है, एक को बोटनी आता है, एक को फिजिक्स आता है, एक को जूलॉजी आता है, एक को केमिस्ट्री आता है, वट एवर मे बी द पैटर्न है. अच्छा, डोंट प्रेडिक्ट. अच्छा, मेरा पेपर है फर्स्ट बायोलॉजी है, फिजिक्स है, ऐसा वट एवर द सब्जेक्ट यू आर वेरी वेल, वेरी फेमिलियर, यू हैव टू अटेम्प्ट द फर्स्ट दोस वे. फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन इज द बेस्ट इंप्रेशन ओनली. अच्छा, सपोज मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स आर बायोलॉजी वेरी मच इंटरेस्टेड ओनली. अच्छा, गो फॉर बायोलॉजी फर्स्ट ओनली, then chemistry, then physics. This is generally we are giving suggestion to all the students only. Biology, chemistry followed by physics only. I am telling you biology also. Acha, first 35 question there is no choice, compulsion only. Remaining 15 में 10 question you have to select it. Acha, I said na, very difficult question, very easy question carrying the same marks only. So time management skills means you have to answer very simple question only. While reading sometime in biology कैसा होता है 5 minutes में 10 question answer करना, means entire 100 question है, you have to answer 40 to 45 minutes. अच्छा, biology के लिए अच्छा you have to practice that 40 to 45 minutes you have to finish the OMR sheet, including OMR sheet. अच्छा, one more thing है, how to fill the OMR I can later explain to you. अच्छा, first time management है, this is very important, crucial role है time management है. अच्छा, बायोलॉजी के लिए कितना टाइम देता है, बोटनी के लिए कितना टाइम देता है, लाइक जो केमिस्ट्री के लिए, फिजिक्स के लिए, हाउ मच टाइम यू दिस टाइम इज इंपॉर्टेंट, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है, टाइम फैक्टर है. एंड सेकंड फैक्टर इज प्रेजेंस ऑफ माइंड इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है. इन एग्जामिनेशन सेंटर प्रेजेंस ऑफ माइंड इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है. Presence of mind is very important. This is the place very important role. Presence of mind is very important. Presence of mind is very important. Sometime elimination round भी कर सकता है. Presence of mind है, spontaneously. अच्छा, most of the students are अच्छा, instead of giving 3 hours है, we provide 4 hours time है, they can answer very easily paper. But at the time of examination है, अच्छा, you require presence of mind. अच्छा, what are the question is given है. अच्छा, you read question thoroughly, which are the following incorrect or correct, which are the following wrong, which are the following right answers, not possible, अच्छा, correct matching, not correct matching. अच्छा, units, conversion units क्या है. अच्छा, answers are given which units है. अच्छा, what are data is given which units है. This conversion factor is very important. Presence of mind is very important. What are the questions they are going to answer. अच्छा, 90% my perception है 50% of the students doesn't know the answer because they don't know what are the question asked. If they know what is the question they asked, 90% of the students they know the answer. The only problem is they doesn't know what are the question they asked in examination. That is the presence of mind. You read the question one time, 2 time with clarity you read what they are going to ask. अच्छा, you can go round up, we can go underline the what are the asked question. Incorrect answer, correct option. अच्छा, numerical SI unit, CGS unit, like what are the question there. Presence of mind is very important. Smart work is very important. Spontaneity is very important. How much you know doesn't matter only, but what is application. अच्छा, this will come by practice only. This practice you should not try in final examination only. You can try for in mock test examination only. मतलब September 1st है, September 10th work. अच्छा, how much you did practice है, the same work you have to repeat in final examination only. अच्छा, these are the rehearsal exams for final NEET examination के लिए. अच्छा, whatever plan you are going to implement in the final day, the same plans you have to follow, you have to replicate in this coming 10 days time only. other than this, acha, don't execute your plans in final examination only. This is the wrong method only. Acha, students perception hota hai, acha chalo maine ek baar without practicing na, they will try for, they will read a practice paper. Reading practice paper is not enough for me. Acha, you have to practicing, you have to apply it, you have to verify yourself only, then only you may get success only. Acha, time hai, presence of mind hai, presence of mind also very important hai. And the third factor only, acha, time factor is very important hai, presence of mind is very important hai. Last, section B. This year is a section B plays a very important role. Section A में कोई मतलब नहीं. All questions are compulsory only. If you know, you can answer. Otherwise, you have to leave it on. But section B में time killing है. What is it? Why time killing है? अच्छा देखो, they will provide 15 questions है. Out of 15 questions है. You have to answer only 10 questions. Only 10 questions. यही दिक्कत है. Why you feeling difficulty here? Section B means. अच्छा, there are plan A, plan B. What is plan A, plan B? अच्छा, I go for plan A, plan B. Plan A. Plan A means first you read all 15 questions once, then you select 10. Then you select 10. This is plan A. Achha, it is time taken, no doubt at all. Achha, reading 10 questions hai, at least 10 to 15 minutes time. And again, you have to select out of 15 hai, you have to select 10 questions hai. Again 20 minutes time ho gaya. Achha, some students getting may get half an hour time also. Achha, this is wrong. My perception, this is wrong method only. Plan A is wrong method only. You read all 15 questions once, then you have to select 10. Is wrong method only. Achha, what I am telling the plan B, achha, that is your conception only. Achha, I go for plan B hai. Plan B hai. Achha, while reading 15 question hai. Achha, at least you answer achha 5 to 6 questions easily. Achha, while reading 15 questions is time saving. What I am telling you. While reading 15 questions, at least you have to answer 5 to 6 questions easily. Then out of 5 to 4 questions के लिए, अच्छा, you can spare 10 minutes time, or you can go for round B में आप कर सकता है. But reading 15 questions at a stretch, again select 10 questions है, and again filling the OMR sheet है. These are the different tasks. अच्छा, this is what I am telling. This is time factor. You have to practice it right from tomorrow only. Right from tomorrow, you have to practice all this kind of questions, which is suitable for me. अच्छा, plan A is suitable है, plan B is suitable है. If plan A is not suitable, go for plan B. Plan B is not suitable, go for plan A. Which is convenient, which is convenient for you, you have to select those pattern only. So this is very important. And next thing is the smart work means time factor. Already you discussed that. Achha, elimination round. What I am telling that elimination round. Elimination round. अच्छा, elimination round में क्या? अच्छा, this is not for all. अच्छा, कैसा try कर सकता है elimination round? Suppose we have 4 options हैं. अच्छा, A, B, C, D. We have 4 options हैं. Suppose students might know the 2 options are not correct. Suppose option A is not correct. ऑप्शन सी आल्सो नॉट करेक्ट है, देन बी सी डी में, बी एंड डी में डाउट है, देन यू पिक अप दोस क्वेश्चंस. अच्छा, you have to eliminate the answers only, but you are going to eliminate only one option है, don't do this method only. अच्छा, आउट ऑफ 4 क्वेश्चन में 2 क्वेश्चंस में आपका absolutely no doubt है 2 क्वेश्चंस आर इनकरेक्ट है, then you go for this elimination round method. अच्छा, 4 डाउट है, 4 में डोंट गेस इट, दिस वाइल्ड गेस होता है. आउट ऑफ 4 क्वेश्चन में सपोज all the above, you suppose NCERT में which are not given lines है, those are not correct answers, 99% है. अच्छा, बायोलॉजी में NCERT में which are not given है, that is not a correct answer है, you have to eliminate करो. अच्छा, all the above है, 50 to 60% all the above आंसर करेक्ट होता है. अच्छा, elimination round है, we have to go for prediction round है. अच्छा, when you predict out of 4 option में 2 options are incorrect है, then out of B and D में you have to go for guess round. अच्छा, what is the use of this guess? What is the disadvantages? What is the advantage of this guy? I'm telling you very simple. Suppose I'm telling you some examples. Suppose. अच्छा, you have 20 questions like that. Suppose you select 20 questions from elimination, 20 question elimination round में. अच्छा, इमेजिन करो each subject में 5 questions है, elimination round है. अच्छा, suppose you left all 20 question है, suppose you left all 20 questions है, मतलब 20 into 4 है. अच्छा, 80 marks lost from your total, right? From total you have to lost 80 marks. अच्छा, if you left all 20 questions. अच्छा, so what I am telling that the 20 question ऐसा questions है, 2 options are confidently you have to eliminate कर, 20 like 2 options only. 2 option में आपका guess है, either ये ना बी ना, सी दिया, अगर सी दिया, ये बी सी ना. That kind of questions only I am telling, not all the questions only, 20 questions. अच्छा, for example, for perception है, 20 में 12 क्वेश्चन करेक्ट है, आफ्टर गेसिंग है, 20 में 12 क्वेश्चन से करेक्ट है. अच्छा, 12 into 4 है 48. अच्छा, 8 इनकरेक्ट, दिस करेक्ट है. अच्छा, 8 इनकरेक्ट है, इनकरेक्ट 8 है, तो देखो -8 है. अच्छा, आपको 40 मार्क्स आएंगे, यू लेफ्ट है 80 मार्क्स लॉस है. अच्छा, once again I am telling that when you go for this elimination method, you confidently know that 2 questions are incorrect है, 2 questions गलत है, ये सही नहीं है, हमेशा के लिए ये वाला नहीं होता है. then you can opt for this elimination round. अच्छा, elimination round में करेक्ट होता है, सपोज 12 करेक्ट है, 48 है. अच्छा, करेक्ट होने के लिए चांस ज्यादा है, बिकॉज आउट ऑफ 2 ऑप्शन में ओनली 1 करेक्ट है. चलो, ये नहीं सर, अच्छा मेरा लक ऐसा नहीं होता सर, चलो देखता है 50-50% देखता है, 50-50% है. अच्छा, करेक्ट है 10 है, 10 into 4 है 40 है. अच्छा, इनकरेक्ट आल्सो 10 है. अच्छा, 10 into like -1 है. अच्छा, -10 है, but still we got 30 marks. अच्छा, those scores are like in between like 530, 550, 580 है, उनके लिए बहुत अच्छा है ये मेथड है. चलो, यही काम करो सर, मेरा लक उतना अच्छा नहीं सर, बहुत खराब था हमारा लक है, then also I can give one more option for you. अच्छा, क्या one more option? अब देखो, आउट ऑफ 20 में अच्छा 15 इनकरेक्ट है, 5 ओनली करेक्ट है, 5 करेक्ट है, ओनली करेक्ट 5 है. अच्छा, 5 into 4 है 20 है. अच्छा, इनकरेक्ट है, अच्छा, इनकरेक्ट 15 है, -15. Still you got 5 marks. The worst condition में मैं बोल रहा है 20 question में you eliminate 2 option confidently, and after that also अच्छा our luck is very bad. अच्छा this is utmost condition में अच्छा 50 गलत होता है, only 5 still we got a positive है ना, 5 marks है. 5 marks का रैंक कितना डिफरेंस होता है आप देख लीजिए. अच्छा do the exercise from tomorrow onwards on. This elimination round is not meant for all the students only. This I said na presence of mind. That's why I said presence of mind is required only. अच्छा you spontaneously you have to respond the question है. अच्छा 100% है, some students are they may guess it. अच्छा these two are not correct answer है. अच्छा ये भी में correct होता है, either A or B. Then out of this not only I am telling 20 है, maybe 40 maybe 30 questions ऐसा भी हो सकता है. Then आपका chances bright होता है. Instead of leaving all 30 question है, 30 into 4 है, you lost 120 question है out of 720, मतलब you are writing only 600 marks के लिए. But that's 120 question में consecutive way में you have to bring the marks again while doing the smart work only. What I am telling you, this is very important है. Presence of mind, what execution, plan execution is also important है. अच्छा you have a plan है, but how can you execute it? Execution is more important rather than plan only. अच्छा I have a plan, I can execute, I go and execute. No, not possible. You can execute in this practice examination only. And one more last time but not least है. अच्छा most of the students are doing the mistake while filling the OMR sheet. Most of the cases है. अच्छा some students are all 180 questions are after answering all 180 questions they will start filling the OMR, which is incorrect method. Unfortunately, suppose somewhere else is missing the sequence है. अच्छा entire 10 months hard work is vanished only. Please, my dear students and parents, I am instructing you, I am guiding you, I am suggesting you. My suggestion is, after finishing the chemistry or physics, botany, zoology, you start filling the OMR sheet on. Is a better on. After suppose biology, botany is over, you have to fill the OMR. Then and there only. Actually, you have any doubt? Just you have to put some doubt. Put some gaps only. Otherwise, don't put any gaps on. And some students ऐसा भी होता है. अच्छा first round में अच्छा they are very much confident है. While reading they are very much confident है. They put answer only. But whenever they are coming from second round, they have n number of thoughts in his mind, in our mind. They change the correct answer also. This happens so many times. If you are confident, if you are very much confident, don't go for back method. Again, don't check for what are the question you answer only, because this happens so many students. First round mein they correctly answered, and second round mein they will change the answers. This is not. If you are confidently enough, you are very confident. Because in flow on definitely will come, answer will come on. And second thought आता है मन का. So don't go for second thought है. अच्छा that's why presence of mind is only required only. अच्छा confusion है. इतना easy question है. This is very easy question है. And this easy question not given है. This is not correct answer है. We will change the answer है. That is not correct only. Right? So from our end, from our institution है, we convey all the best wishes from all the students who are writing NEET 2020 examination only. After the examination also, paper discussion also follows. Keep watching our videos and please subscribe and share this video to all possible viewers. Thank you very much. देखो, from our end, we are giving all the best. We are telling all the best to all the students.